In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule and join a Teams meeting using Outlook. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly organize and participate in video calls without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Outlook on your computer. If you're using the desktop application, just click the icon to launch it. If you're using the web version, simply navigate to the Outlook website and log into your account. It's important to ensure that the Microsoft Teams add-in is installed and enabled in your Outlook. Typically, this is installed automatically if you have Teams and Office installed on your PC, but it's always a good idea to double check to avoid any hiccups later on. To verify, you can go to the options menu under File and check the add-ins section to see if the Teams add-in is listed there. Once you've got Outlook open and ready to go, switch to the calendar view. You can find this option in the lower left corner of the window. It looks just like a small calendar icon. This is where you'll be creating your new meeting. With your calendar visible, look for the button labeled New Teams Meeting. It should be prominently displayed in the toolbar at the top, making it easy to spot. Clicking on New Teams Meeting will bring up a window to schedule the meeting. If you're not already signed in, Outlook will prompt you to do so at this point. Enter your Microsoft account information and log in. This ensures that the meeting details will be synchronized across your devices and accessible in both Outlook and Teams. Next, you'll be setting up the meeting details. This is where you can specify the date and time that best fits everyone's schedule. Just enter the start and end times along with any other necessary information, like the meeting subject and location. Outlook automatically generates a Teams meeting link, so you don't need to worry about setting this up manually. Don't forget to invite the participants. Just add their email addresses to the required or optional fields depending on their level of involvement. When you've reviewed all the meeting details, click Send to dispatch those invites. The attendees will receive notifications directly in their inbox, which makes it easy for them to RSVP and add the event to their calendars. When the time comes to join the meeting, you have a couple of options. You can either access it through the link sent in the email invite or join directly from the calendar in Outlook or Microsoft Teams. Either way, getting into the meeting is straightforward, and both platforms will guide you through the process seamlessly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're ready to schedule and join meetings effortlessly using Outlook and Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your productivity in organizing virtual gatherings. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.